Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn this sum in oblique. If you see, they have given front view and left hand side view. Length, width and height is given. So when you draw box, see, origin is here. So 45 degree will go on this side. How much is the length? 34, width 32 and height 54. So we'll draw layout like this. Now after this, if you see in front view, we have two parts and in side view one part. So I'll draw side view as it is. And we know whatever is there on the left side, the same thing will be on right side. So we'll take 34, 34. From here also 34 and we will join this. Now after this part, square. If you see square with a dark line, that means it is not one part, it's actually two parts. Half, half, that way, right? So in this case, half is here and half is behind. Right, you take this behind, you take this also behind, this you go down, this is how it will come. Now this is dark. This will be full dark. Now if you see this behind semicircle, we'll draw that first. This square also we will draw behind. But first we'll draw this semicircle. So we'll take midpoint, take radius 8 and we'll join this. And we'll take this behind. So this is how it will appear. From here also radius 8. Now see. This you got this part. Now we take this point behind. How much? This 14 and 18, right? From here 14, you take a midpoint and you take 9 down on both the sides, or you extend this behind. Wherever it will intersect, from there you can draw square. See, like this, 18. And then we have to give width also, 12 mm. See this 12 mm. So we'll go 12 behind and then we'll draw this inner part also. So we are done with this oblique. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.